The imbalance in ecosystem has been created over a period of time due to deforestation, urbanization and industrialization and exploitation of natural resources.
Through 40 years of its existence, RWF has manufactured railway wheels and axles for Indian Railways. Reducing impact of its operation on the environment and adopting processes towards sustainable growth has been the focus of Rail Wheel Factory. Although high on emission, RWF has developed sustainable ecosystem on 55% of its area, sprawling about 291 acres.
Rail Wheel Factory is the priceless unit of Indian Railways who has implemented various projects to recycle its used raw material.
At RWF, recycling begins from production itself by using the worn-out wheels, axles and rails as raw materials for making wheels. Various measures are adopted to combat air pollution. Secondary fume extraction system has been installed to electric arc furnaces to filter fine dust from fumes, combating air pollution. Oil-fired furnaces have now been converted to PNG, bringing air pollution to the minimum. Water conservation and restoration has also been one of the foremost sustainable initiatives. Rainwater harvesting, recycling of water and implementing automation in water supply for water conservation has made RWF a zero water discharge plant. By restoring old wells and digging new wells, RWF now has 6 wells that ensure year-round supply of processed water. Energy conservation by harnessing green energy is done through installation of solar panels which can generate 2 megawatt peak electricity. Solid waste management is handled efficiently, reflecting the holistic approach of RWF towards reversing impact of biodiversity loss. Furthermore, an eco-zone with water bodies has been created to canalize and conserve water. These water bodies houses variety of birds, insects and reptiles.
By recycling and restoring old water wells, lakes and creating new wells, recycling of sand, recycling of scrap and conversion of HSD operated furnaces to PNG operated furnaces. This conserves oil, sand, water.
On the World Environment Day 2021, RWF reassures its commitment to combat pollution, conserve energy and natural resources, ensuring sustainability through material conservation and recycling, periodical audit of energy, water and air, etc., green cover and afforestation, emphasis on renewable energy, air and water quality management, cleaner and efficient production process, waste management. Despite RWF being a red category industry, its concrete steps to create a pollution-free, environmental-friendly manufacturing process has made RWF a true green factory, endorsing the restoration of ecosystem and giving a clean and green earth for the next generation.
Rail Wheel Factory is a true example of reimagine, recreate and restore the natural resources. I wish everybody a happy Environment's Day and request everybody to get vaccinated at the earliest.